In this video we'll learn how to set up Ansys Mechanical for distributed computing. First, click on File and navigate to Solve Process Settings. In the dialog, click My Computer Background and change the queue to default. This will allow the computations to run on the remote compute nodes. Now you can go to the solution that you want to solve for. Change the solver to My Computer Background and choose the number of cores that you want to use for your computations. In this case, we have two 8-core compute nodes running in the background and we want to use both of them, so we set the number of cores to 16. Now you can click Solve to start the solution process. To monitor the job, go back to the Workbench window, go to Jobs and click Open Job Monitor. You can use this window to follow the log file and the computations. You can also verify that you have used the number of cores you wanted and that the computations are distributed as planned. When the computation is done, this is indicated by a green arrow in the Solutions node. You can fetch the solution back to the main window, right-click on Solution and choose Get Results. The results will soon be available.